Hey everybody, welcome back to More Time Garage. Little update. It's been a while since I made a video updating any progress on the car. There's been a little, but the fuel cell mocked up in place, made the opening. That was a while ago. Then I started repairing holes that were in the floor. Because when you're underneath the car, you can see the light through, so you start fixing, right? What else? Oh, today it was raining and it wasn't working. So after I helped my stepdaughter move, I started cutting hoses and mocking this up, and it stopped raining. So I just kept continuing, and we installed a fuel pump and got it up over the wheel arch there and down along the frame. See if I can show you a little here. All right, scoots under the frame here in front of the spring, and then down the outside of the frame, not the inside, in case the drive shaft blows off or something terrible. Drilled some holes, went through that cross member. In here, I might play with the routing a little bit. This flange is gonna have to be dealt with. Too close to that fuel line. I think I'll just hammer it down flat. And then once we attach the fuel line, it should be nice and safe. And we'll also attach the power cable there somewhere. So yeah, fancy fitting through the inner fender here, bulkhead fitting. And then it comes through here into this line on the pressure regulator I got at the swap meet. And this little hose here, this is for fuel pressure gauge. So I'm not sure 100% this is final location for this setup. Probably. I like where it is, but I think I want to maybe make this into a return. Or just plug it and move this on the carburetor side so that my fuel pressure gauge is reading what the carburetors are getting. So basically that's all we got. Did a lot of welding and that's kind of boring, but today we finally got the fuel system mocked up. So something to show you. The cable will be neater than that. I might put a couple more of these little doodads here. I got a bag of those that I've had for 20 years. So I may as well use them. Yeah. On both sides there's little patches that have to be finished. One here, there's one in the back. It's kind of the same on the other side. It's got little pieces that need patching. And then we'll be done welding underneath, I hope. I'm gonna disconnect the fender here and where I tacked it here, because I don't like the way it's on. It needs to move, because I got to pull this has to get pulled in a little because there's a warp. So with everything attached, things can't move right. So it's like it doesn't want to move. So before I start hammering dollering, I've got to relieve the stress that's created here and at the back. That's what I mean. I was just thinking he's going to take me a couple weeks, right? Probably to get this done. Another patch panel in here, and I got to massage the opening a little. And then I got to measure and make sure that both of them are the same, the wheel openings, because they're really rough. Like, I mean really rough. So anyways, thanks for watching the short little update. Hopefully we'll have more to come soon, not like in weeks like it's been. I don't know when the last time I uploaded a video. Anyway, thanks for watching, people. Enjoy. The summer is coming. Peace out.